everybody. So today we are going to make a eggless version of your chocolate mousse. It's very simple, and in this we just going to make a ganache with this two ingredients. It's your cream and your chocolate, and then mix it with the whipped cream. So let's start making. So first I'm going to make the ganache over here. For that my cream is already, this is my fresh cream. I'm using the Amul fresh cream. If you want to, you can use the other fresh cream also, like you can use Mother Dairy or Delecta, whichever company is available with you. I'm just going to put this here. This has to be heated. Be careful, you know. Don't put it on a higher temperature. Too much high temperature will burn it. In the case of your whipped cream, in the case of your whipped cream, fresh cream, it is very important. You keep on mixing this continuously, otherwise it will start burning. This can be done on the gas range also if you want to. Just make sure you are mixing it every time and you're careful about it. Once this is nicely heated, I can see fumes over here, which is nicely heated. Okay, I'm just going to put this cream in the chocolate. Can you write it now? Just take the chocolate and I'm going to put this here. Now because your cream is very hot, your chocolate will automatically start, melting. Just make sure this is coated properly like this. And mix this. Now, one more thing you can do is, if you have a blender, you can put the blender and start mixing it also. So if you don't have a blender, now what is going to happen is, this is not going to, the chocolate will take more time to melt because the amount of cream is less over here. This was 1:2 proportion. So that's the reason it will not melt. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put this again on the flame, on the induction, and then let this chocolate melt properly. We have again the same induction I have taken, same pan I have taken. Be careful, mix it properly. Okay. Don't let it burn. Keep mixing this nicely. See, the chocolate is melted properly. Now I can switch this on, and we will let this cool down, and then only we can use it has to cool down. Okay. So now our ganache has cooled down. Okay. Let's see, and it is exact consistency what I want. I don't want it to set too much, because it is set too much, when you mix the whipped cream, it will form lumps inside it. So you have to make sure that it has to be of this consistency. It's very, very important. Okay, I did not keep this in the fridge. I let it set, cool down outside only, so that the whole thing, the consistency of was taken care of. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the whipped cream here. Now there is no particular, as in I am going to follow a recipe right now here where I am putting this much whipped cream inside it. But for example, now okay, one more thing, you have to cut and pull like this. Now for example, you want the chocolate mousse to be less chocolatey. In that case, what you do is you just put more whipped cream inside it. Okay, but that doesn't mean you put just too much of whipped cream. A little more can be added. Now here I think, see. Here I think I can add a little more whipped cream. Can you see? Because this is too much chocolate according to me. So little more can be added inside. Now I have nicely mixed this. Here, this is the final product. Now here you can put different flavors. You can put essences. And so for example, you want to make it orange, so you can put orange essence inside it. Okay. If you want to make an Oreo chocolate mousse, then you can just chop the Oreo and put it inside. Marshmallows, or nuts, any nuts you want to. So you can mix all these flavors inside it, and you can just make it. Just pour it into the mold. This is the final product what is there. After that, you can put all the different flavors inside it. Now, these are the ramekins in which I am going to set my mousse. Okay, just take this and I have folded it so that I can hold my hand like this here. One more thing you can do is you can put that in the mug also, measuring jug, so it is easier to hold. Just like this. Whatever nozzle you want to, you can take that nozzle. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to take a star nozzle only. It just looks very beautiful when you put it into the star nozzle. That's the reason we have put it into the non-star nozzle. Plain nozzles also look very good. How they finish. Now here on this, what I will do is on this also I can put different garnishes. Like we have chocolate sprinklers, so you can put colorful sprinklers on top of it. You can shave, grate chocolate, and then you can put that on top of it. So different garnishes, or nuts, sliced nuts. All these garnishes can go on top of this, or even a plain ganache. Just pipe it on this so it comes on sides like this. So different garnishes can be made with the